My fucking shoulder hurts so bad. Can't hold it up.
Oh, hit. You're alright. It's okay. You're alright. Hit. Cover pink. I'll throw a grenade. What's up, Max?
Everything going. I act a fool when I go and perform, but I'm trying. What the fuck is he doing? Act like a groupie around me, he drawing. I told him. And I need me to do. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna.
Get up here! Get up here!
I ain't covering the hoe when that's just some shit you should know. Finna turn up, we finna get litty. Then we go, we don't care about the city. He was talking, but didn't know talking. When we seen him walking, that shit, it got sticky. 2 bros, 2 Glocks, that's 60. And I know they looking one give me. The new whip is fast, you look on the ass, the words gon' spill out Hemi. He ran and tripped all over his shoelace. 762 to his mouth like 2 pigs. See niggas still in the style, but you late. See niggas think that they fly, but you ain't. How you a rock star? Told him cause I got back from the cop car, sipping on walk hard. I heard them little songs, you not hard. Lying in raps, that shit is not art. Everything going. I act a fool when I go and perform, but I'm trying. What the fuck is he doing? Act like a groupie around me, he drawing. I told him. And I need me to do. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna. I ain't covering the hoe, and that's just some shit you should know. But can pulled up, it was me and my mans. At the club and we ain't even dance. I can't tell you what happened. I don't do no cabin. We left when we peed on our hands.
You're that guy on TikTok, right?
Yeah.
I'm Marshall, bro.
Marshall, what's up, Marshall?
Bro, guys.
You are a sneaky fucking guy.
Thank you.